Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adaobi Cynthiaa, and if this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope you stay. I know it's been a long time and I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry it took me so long to get back to y'all, but hey, I'm back, right? But anyway, today I bring this look that I created and I really love it. I hope you do too. Do check me out on Instagram because I do post videos there regularly, you know. Yeah, tell me what you think about this look, and please watch this video because I asked a couple of questions. I need your feedback in order to know what to create here, and I hope you do enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And now let's get right into this video. Enjoy. I love you guys. See you, man. I'll start off by doing my brows, and for today I'll be using this e.l.f. brow pomade in medium, and I'll do this off camera to save some time. And if you need a brow tutorial, I'll link it down below. Please check it out, and I'll be right back. To continue this look, I'll use this NYX eyeshadow base as a base for my eyeshadow. I add a little bit of this on my eyelids and I blend it out gently in a patting motion. Moving on, I'll be taking the Saharan Juvias palette, and I'll be using this shade called Jamila. That's my transition shade. Use a transition shade when applying your eyeshadow so that you have a good blending when you're done with everything, just to help everything look seamless. And I'll take this and keep it on my crease, gently taking it inwards, just like that. And I'll do the same thing on the other eye. And while selecting a transition shade, you want a shade that will blend with everything. That's why I go with orange or brownish transition shade all the time. So guys, I want to know where you all come from. Can you leave me a comment telling me your name, where you're from, and where you live? As you know, I'm Adaobi. I'm from Nigeria and I live in Texas. So tell me more about you so I know who my audience are. I would really appreciate that. So now I'm done with my transition shade. I'll go in with this Glam Metalz palette, and I'm gonna pick my eyelid shade from here. And for today I'll use the shade called Rock On, and it looks like this. I'm sorry it's kind of broken, but I want to use it today, so. And I'm gonna take this and tap it on my eyelid because I'm going for something kind of neutral. You want to use a patting motion so that you finally deposit the eyeshadow on your eyelid, just like this. When you're done with this eye, you do the same thing on the other eye, just like I will do right now. Be careful so it doesn't get into your eye though. And also, depending on your eye shape, because everyone's eye shape is not the same, you have to find out what suits you better. Because mine, I have a little hoodoo here. That's where I go up, just like that. To blend everything out, because you don't want to walk around looking funny, I'm gonna use the Nubian by Juvia's palette, and I'm gonna take this brown shade right here and blend everything out. Please guys, make sure you blend everything out very well, because you don't want to walk around looking like a clown, trust me. I'm gonna take that and keep here where both my crease color and my lid color meet, and I'm gonna blend both of them out. It doesn't matter how long it takes you to blend, just make sure you blend everything out and it looks really nice, you know. Blending is really important, guys. And by the way, like you know, as you know, because you've been watching my videos, I'm looking here because my mirror is right here, in case you're wondering. I keep it away from my camera so you don't see it, because it looks so unprofessional that way. So I'm gonna blend this other eye as well. Also guys, tell me the looks you want me to create. Just tell me what you want to see, and I'm gonna do just that. And if you're still watching to this moment, you're the real G. You feel me? You just keep blending till I feel like it's nice. I don't really have a large audience right now. I hope I get there someday, but if by any chance, error, whatever, you clicked on this video, please leave a comment for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You know how the thing goes. I'm watching you. I don't know why I always laugh when I say stuff. But yeah, please subscribe. Thank you. Alright, now everything's looking put together-ish. So I'll still blend a little bit more because I don't want to go looking like clown. You know what I mean? Have you ever walked out and see someone's eyeshadow like bam in your eye? Yeah, don't do that, guys. Don't do it. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is the key. I'm not really awesome at this eyeshadow game, but you know, we're all learning, and I'm always happy to teach you what I know, and teach me what you know as well, you know? We learn from ourselves. And now that looks moderate. I'll go ahead and put on my liquid eyeliner from LA Colors, and it looks like this. And a key while putting your eyelashes, and if you don't know how to put on lashes and you put it and it's sticking out or whatever, use an eyeliner, because when you put it and there's a black eyeliner there, it covers it up. Trust me, it works. Always put an eyeliner if you want to put on your lashes and you don't know how to do them very well, because that's what I used to do. I'll quickly put on this eyeliner and put on my lashes as well. I'll be using lashes from AliExpress. If I can find the link, I will put it in the description box, but if not, I'm sorry. You can just go to AliExpress and type in eyelashes and just select from a majority of the eyelashes they've got there. And it looks like this, and I'll be using this one. And for lashes from AliExpress, they're really inexpensive, and you can get a bunch from there. So I definitely highly recommend AliExpress lashes, and trust me, they are awesome. I'm gonna quickly pop this on and finish up my look today. The lash glue I use is this duo. I find them to be really efficient, unlike the very thick ones. You know, this one has a wand. You can easily just put your glue on and wait for it to get tacky. Unlike the other one that takes a lot of time, this one doesn't take that much time. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, the lashes are on, and now I'll move on to my face. I'll use this Milk Makeup Blur Stick as my primer today, and this, you just rub it all over your face basically. There's nothing much to do. And if you have an oily skin like me, be sure to concentrate on your T-zone, because because that's the area that produces the most oil, especially if you're going for a long-lasting makeup. Afterwards, I just smoothing everything out with a brush. So tell me guys, what's your favorite foundation? I don't really have a favorite, but I have ones that I love. I don't have much foundations anyway, and I sometimes go for a full coverage once in a while, but mostly go light to medium coverage. And I love the Fenty Beauty. It's #1 for medium coverage, and I also use the Kat Von D Lucky foundation. I love those two. Tell me which ones you like, let me know, just curious, you know. I'll be using my Fenty Beauty Pro filter foundation today. Sometimes I color correct, sometimes I don't, but for today I won't be color correct, and I'll just go in with just my foundation. And I gently tap this all over my face, especially my matte region, because I have hyperpigmentation there. So, and I just basically go all over my face with this. This look is a subtle look, nothing too much, so yeah, there's no need for extra stuff. Like when I say extra stuff, I mean no need for a lot of highlighting. And I don't bake because I just don't have time for it. So I set my under eye though, but not for a long time, for like a minute or two, and that's about it. Maybe less, who knows, depending on my mood. And this foundation, it's my exact shade. Don't mind the camera, trust me, I'm not orange. It's my perfect shade, you guys. So yeah, so now I'll go in with my 3R stick. You remember them? Yes, I do, because I still use them, you know. I'll use the suede to highlight my face. I love drawing my mustache. Okay, now I blend everything out with my beauty sponge. And by the way, this sponge is from Real Techniques. Yeah, I do love it. Basically just blend everything out, don't waste your time. Okay, let me blend this and I'll be right back. Now everything looks decent. I'll go in with espresso from the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio and contour my face. And you contour your face depending on the shape of your face, guys. So don't like do what I do. If you don't have the same shape like I do, just go with the shape of your face. And I also contour the bridge of my nose. And I blend everything out. And for my nose contouring, because I need precision, I use a brush like this. Really contoured, you know. You don't want to mess it up if you use a sponge, but I know some people can, but I can't, or maybe I don't, depending on how you want your contour to look. Anyway, I do this basically. If you're learning how to contour and highlight, I believe there are so many videos on YouTube about that, but if you need me to make a video, please let me know and I'll get to that. Now I'm gonna use my Sacha setting powder and set underneath my eyes. and I just dab a little bit basically. I don't do too much here, just like this. Watch me. You look up so that you get underneath here. Most times people crease a lot there, so yeah, you want to get there and make sure it's really set so that you don't start creasing faster than normal. You know what I mean? Just like this. You guys see that? Basically do that. That's about it. And you do the same on the other eye. Don't forget to dust up the S's, okay?
We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start.
My face is way lighter than my neck, so I try to blend everything out so I don't look funny. Okay, do the same if you like me. Cool? Cool. Now let's move on to the lips. Basically, I'll just be using this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Universal Gloss Bomb. We all know it. We all do. I love it so much. Just using that all over. And for this gloss bomb, I don't use a lip liner or anything because I love it the way it looks by itself. Now I will set my entire face with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And be sure to cover your eyeshadow when you use this so it doesn't clean up everything, just like this. And while that's wet, I'm gonna go in with my highlighter from Fenty Beauty. And this is the Ginger Binge and the Mule. I love this so much because it can act as a highlighter and a blush. So I'm gonna use this side, that is the Mule. I'm gonna put that on top here. Just use it to highlight my entire face. And now I'll take a little bit of the same Mule and put in the inner corner of my eye. Kind of low, you know, just like this. Don't put too much though. Do like this, and I'll do the same here. Just open up your eye a bit. And guys, this is the end of this look. And if you watched everything, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And if you didn't, I hope you do next time. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, because I did enjoy it and it looks really nice. Tell me if you're gonna try this look out and leave a comment below, guys. Don't forget. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you know. See you in my next one. Bye.